As it became clear, 4 missing soldiers were not on military zone. This is a zone of Perūno telmologinis draustinis, Perūno telmological reservoir of swamps of unique nature of 1000 hectares, and trespassing is forbidden to such areas due to unique nature. So going here with vehicles which weigh 70 tons, it's a crime. It's a crime against nature, it's a crime against our nation. So nowhere in the news it was told. Everywhere it is a lie that soldiers disappeared during tasks. It is impossible to have tasks in a nature reservoir, as it is forbidden to trespass even with bicycles, because there are no roads. There is no road and they were driving illegally. And the question is how nature security doesn't work. How it can come that all the week, all the world shows like Lithuanian army, also with Polish army and with American army, totally destroying unique natural reservoir which is part of Natura 2000, included in 2004 due to its unique nature, unique swamps. And this swamp which is destroyed on camps all the week is unique, and it is totally destroyed because this reservoir is because of these swamps, and now they are draining a swamp, making a road. They chopped the trees there, and there is no civil minister, there is no inner affairs minister, there is no mayor of locality. There is army everywhere, as if there is no laws, there are no reservoirs. So I suspect that they declared military state of our republic and forgot to inform people. So in military state they can destroy everything what they want. This reservoir is in strategic place near border with Belarus, and it seems that these American soldiers were deploying their troops sometime before, because there are on camps there are even more such vehicles seen. M88, there are at least 2 standing on the edge of non-existing road. There is no road because there is a reservoir. In reservoirs there are no roads because it's forbidden to trespass. And all the situation shows that American soldiers probably were preparing provocation, were deploying troops in swamps and drowned.